Good morning, everyone. So a lot of us probably wake up something like this. So I'm gonna try do a 5-minute glam makeup, just some tips and tricks on how to look good in a really quick time. I'm aiming for 5 minutes, but let's see how we go. This video is sponsored by Lanolips. I'm gonna show you how to incorporate their products in ways you might not have thought about, so there's like a little bit of a hack video as well. And I'm just gonna get into it. First thing I'm gonna do, because my skin is a little bit dry, is take the Lancome Advanced Genifique. As you can see, I love this. I'm almost done. God. Okay, I'm gonna need to use it. I'm gonna take this. This is a probiotic serum, and I'm all about drinking my probiotics. Come out. And also putting it on your face is really good for your skin, my facialist told me. So I've been really into using this product. So I can apply that first, just to give my skin that little bit of glow and prep before I put my foundation on. I'm gonna take the Guerlain L'Essentiel Foundation. They gave me this little brush to use with it, and it's okay. I did think that it took a bit too long, so I'm just gonna take another brush, this one's from Sigma, and rub it in. So this is the first step, because for me this is really important, especially for a glam look. Like if I'm trying to look really put together in glam, foundation is a must. I wouldn't skip that for me. For other daytime looks, I might just put SPF on, but not this time. I really like the finish of this foundation. I don't know how to explain it, but I feel like it's a gel kind of finish, as in it's not completely opaque on the skin. You can see your skin through it. And I think that's why, even though it's not technically my undertone, because I'm not warm, it still seems to work pretty well. It's not too bad. Once I add my blush and stuff, that will bring some more pink to my face. And then I'll take my Lanolips 101 lip ointment. This product has literally 100 uses. It's a cult favorite. Celebrity makeup artists, everyone loves to use it for a bunch of different things. I love to use it as a lip mask early on in my makeup routine, so that later on, once I get to lips, they're prepped. And another trick, while you're here, guys, it's a good time to put it on your cuticles so that your cuticles are nice and soft. This is something that I'm very aware of because my hands are always in my videos. So I love to make sure that I'm putting some on my fingers. And they also have like a mini size of this that I love to keep in my purse, just to keep my cuticles in tip-top shape. This is also amazing as a highlighter, and when I went to some celebrity workshops, they often use a balm like this as that really editorial style highlight that everyone's like, how do I get that? This is how you get that. Okay, next would be eyebrows, because eyebrows are really important to me. From my Chloe's Brow wardrobe, I love to use this pencil. It's really nice and fast. It's the Precisely My Brow pencil, and I just kind of start by filling in the gaps that there are, and on this eyebrow it's the end. It really needs help. Another cool use for the 101 ointment is to use it in your eyebrows. I like to use it quite sparingly in there as a brow gel, just to hold everything in place. See that? I'd really recommend not applying too much, because otherwise it can start to look too shiny. So just go sparing with it, and it really does a nice job at locking it in. I really want to lighten up the foundation, so I'm going to take some concealer. Putting it over the eyelids too, because I really want to even that out. See how that's already really helped with evening everything out? Like I was just looking, ow, what's in my eye? Tell you what, I'm still not used to contacts after 2 years of wearing them. Yeah, this really helps in paling out your foundation. Adds more coverage, you know, does the concealing work for you. It's a really good hack. So even if you purposely went like a little bit deeper with your foundation, you can still go in like this, and it's almost like reverse contouring, because now as you can see, the darker foundation is acting a little bit like a contour in the areas of my face where I didn't apply the concealer. Cool, right? Now I'm going to do my eyeliner. I like to just do a very small amount of eyeliner on the outer part of my eye, just to lift it slightly. Like literally that's all it will do right there. And I'll take a little brush, just like this one, and then just smudge it in. Linear motions, so not like up and down, but just like drawing it along. And then I'll take mascara, and I really won't spend too much time on this. I'll just focus it on the roots. And I'm also not putting that on the lower lash line just so that I emphasize that lift even more. That's how my eyes look much more awake. If I do that eyeliner there, a little bit of mascara, and then keep my lower lash line completely bare. Moving on, I'm going to apply this really cool product I bought at Priceline. It's the Revlon Photo Ready Instant Cheek Maker. How cool is that? I love it. You just line it up to your cheek and draw it on like that. So I just go over it with a brush. And because this is like a kind of deeper pink, I find that it kind of does the same job as contouring. I know it looks really 80s right now, but don't fear, it will like blend out really nicely. And if it's too strong for you anyway, you can go over it with your foundation brush again. And it has the highlighter in it too, which is, it's quite nice. Then I'm gonna take the Perfect Nude Lanolips Tinted Balm. How perfect is that color? Oh my goodness. So this contains their key ingredient, lanolin, which molecular wise has a very similar structure to your skin, to people's human skin. So that's why it just melts in and mimics the natural oils that your skin naturally creates. So it's beautiful on the lips. It's like the ideal lip balm. And this one mixes the tint with that and also has SPF in it, so you've got the protection, and it's amazing on the cheeks for that editorial style highlight I was mentioning. I also take a little bit on my fingers, the leftover, and dab it on my eyelids just for that natural dewy lid look. And guys, my husband naturally has really pretty dewy lids and I wish I had them. Instead, I have dewy forehead, which no one wants. This is easily probably my favorite tinted lip balm. I can't decide between this, rhubarb, or rose, but I absolutely love them. Like bestsellers in a bunch of their worldwide retailers, so they are really good. Everyone that I've introduced them to, my sister, my friends, you guys, everyone loves them, so definitely try them out. Some other tips to really glam up your look is to put glamorous earrings in. These ones are so affordable too. They're from Colette. They're like $8, but I get a lot of compliments when I wear them. I love them. Ow! And then something else I thought was cute is if you take a scarf. My hair is still curled from yesterday. I'm just gonna part it at around my ear area. It's just a really cute way to jazz yourself up in no time. Accessories are just definitely the quickest way to do that. So how cute is this? I think I bought this scarf at, oh, it's a store in, oh, okay, didn't mean it to be that voluminous. Oh, what's it called? Hey Seba, do you know what the name of that cheap clothing store is that me and your sister buy stuff from in, no, not Winners.
Stitches?
No, it's like a women's fashion store, but they have boy stuff too. A bunch of different stores sell these scarves. Yes, I just went and put another top on. Again, wearing something cute is gonna dress you up really quickly along with the accessories. A bunch of stores sell these kind of things. This one I bought at a store called Urban Planet in Canada. I figured out what it was called, but places like Colette, heaps of cheap stores sell them, or you can buy like designer ones if you wanna be like that, but I don't at this point in my life. I'm gonna try folding it a different way because I don't want to have the bow. So I want the floral part in the middle. I'm gonna go under the back of my hair. This shouldn't take you too long. This is the part where I always get my hair stuck in the knot and it hurts. Why can't I tie a knot? What? Okay. And then if you are careful, you can probably twist it around like that. Cute, right? The little stripes on it are quite nautical, and then with the pearls I've stuck with the nautical theme. So that's it. That's my 5-minute glow up. What did you guys think? There are a lot of tips in there about multi-use products, how to save time, and of course I've also included some ways to accessorize your look to jazz yourself up. Another really good tip is to wear a bright lip, and Lanolips is a really good way to, you can put a bright lip on as a stain and then throughout the day apply 101 ointment over the top, and it kind of brings the stain back out and adds a glow gloss on top. Plus it rehydrates because sometimes stains or matte lipsticks can be really drying. So yeah, definitely keep these in your handbag. I'll put all the stock lists for these below, but they're available in a bunch of places, so everyone should be able to find some. Thank you Lanolips for partnering with me on this video, and you guys, I'll talk to you very soon. Let me know what other videos you want to see from me in the comments. I'll talk to you down there. Bye.